Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide participant in Google Meet. To get started, open Google Meet in your browser. If you are beginning from a search results page, select the official Google Meet site and sign into your Google account if needed. Once you arrive at the Google Meet home screen, you are ready to enter a meeting where you can manage participant visibility. From the home screen, click New Meeting. You can choose Instant Meeting or join any meeting you already have access to. For this process, it does not really matter which type of meeting you open, as long as you are inside the meeting interface. The important part is getting into an active Google Meet session, so the participant controls become available. Once you are inside the meeting, you may notice that the Google Meet layout looks a little different, depending on the version or recent updates. In older versions, some controls may have appeared under a vertical three-dot menu near the bottom right of the screen. In the newer layout, the controls are organized a bit differently, so do not worry if your screen is not identical. Just look toward the right side of the meeting window for the participant controls. Next, click the Participants button on the right corner of the screen. This opens the participant panel where you can see everyone currently in the meeting. Take a moment to find the person you want to hide. After that, click the vertical three-dot menu next to that participant's name. This menu gives you extra options for managing how that participant appears in the meeting view. One of those options is the setting used to hide them from view. Now turn on the option labeled Don't Watch. This tells Google Meet that you do not want that participant's video or presence to remain visible in the way it normally would. This can be useful if you want a cleaner layout, fewer distractions, or more focus on specific speakers during the meeting. Finally, choose whether to apply this setting for myself only or for everyone. If you are the meeting host or have admin control, you may see the option to apply it more broadly. If you only want to change your own view, select for myself only. If you want the hidden setting to affect the meeting more widely and you have permission to do so, choose everyone. And that's it. Once selected, the participant will be hidden based on the option you chose. If your interface looks slightly different, the wording or button placement may vary a little, but the overall process remains the same.